Here's a brief video showing three of the effects seen in the Tower of Terror theater scene. First to the elevator door video display. Next is the laser wire causing the lightning simulation. The laser wire simply taped to the rear of the sliding glass door. Next you see the holographic, or simply it's an OLED TV that displays Rod Serling Deepfake. It's suspended from the ceiling, can be moved in and out of the way of the door if I need to. Next you see the rear of the OLED TV suspended from the ceiling. There is a two-way mirrored acrylic sheet that can be used for creating Pepper's ghost effects, for additional effects that currently aren't employed but could be in the future. The acrylic can be turned sideways to cause the appropriate reflection.